So far, I've drilled a hole through the ceiling, the roof, and I'm getting ready to put silicone on the outside of the vent. And when I get done with this, I'll screw it down and I will put roofing seal on it, and it should be leak proof and should be able to be sealed up good. This is actually white silicone, it dries clear. Can't never have too much of this. Make sure it's sealed up good. Must have put too small of a hole. Don't want to come out good. All right, I can't do this with one hand, so I'm going to, well, I can show you putting it in down in there. All right, I'm gonna line it up with the hole. And it should screw down. I'm gonna put more supports underneath. Make sure that's flat. It's got a sag in it, but I'll get that out. I'll come back when we're done.